friends, I'm Mausmi Ambastha. In the previous two videos for inspection, we discussed inspection process and the first two stages of inspection, namely pre-production and initial inspection stages. In this video, we are going to mainly discuss about the bulk production stages of inspection: in-process inspection, inline inspection and end-line inspection. In-process inspection, it is required to observe the garment at various stages of production to ensure that the quality is inspected closer to manufacturing point. This helps in reducing rework and lowering the cost of quality. In-process inspection ensures that you are observing the garment closer to the source of the problem and you're able to spot workmanship issues and equipment malfunctions much early before major damage is done. This process should be conducted in every section of production. It should be done in spreading, cutting, ticketing and bundling, sewing, pressing as well as in finishing. The next stage is inline inspection. During this stage, critical operations in the production process are identified by the technical team and inspection tables are placed near it. There are three major factors which are used to determine which operations are critical: operations complexity, the garment zone where the operation resides, and the ease of repairability or rework at that stage. Let us take an example to understand these points better. Let's say for a standard shirt, the first checkpoint should be the front panel because it resides in zone A of the garment. We need to check pocket placement, the placket and the puckering etc. in the stitching operations. The second checkpoint would be the back panel and the last checkpoint would be the overall assembly of the garment. We need to inspect shoulders, sleeve attachment, collar, buttonholes etc. The last inspection stage is known as end-line inspection. In this, manufacturer places a table at the end of the line where every garment coming out of the production process is inspected for defects and damages. It is generally done for 100% of the garments. The cases where 100% inspection is not done at this stage, then the sample size is determined based on the batch size or lot size. The sample acceptance criteria is based on acceptable quality level or acceptable quality limit as defined by the buyer at this stage. The garments are inspected for conformance to specifications of size and their appearance. Defective garments are stickered so that they are clearly visible and they are sent back for rework. Inline inspection report is duly filled at this stage and the inline supervisor is notified for all the defects that have been observed. The defective garments go back for rework. Once the rework is done, they are sent again for re-inspection at the inline inspection table. If you would like to get the templates for reports for inline and endline, you can click the link below and use it in your factory. Today, we discussed about various stages of inspection during the manufacturing process. In the next video, we'll discuss the last and final stage of inspection process, which is called final random inspection. This is done just before the shipment is sent out from the factory. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel Stitch Diary. You can also read more at stitchdiary.com. And if you would like me to cover any topic of your interest, please feel free to write in the comment section. Thank you.